Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a DIY wooden box with pallet wood, and as you can see I have my jigsaw, I have 2 pieces of pallet wood, a tape measure, and I basically just took the wood off of the pallet and I didn't take the nails out. So what you'll be seeing me do now is just cut that portion off that I don't need with the nails in it. And after I get through doing that, I'll have 4 different pieces of wood. And this right now is just the first video. This is part 1, and then you're gonna have to go to part 2 to see the second part of this video. But this is a really nice video. I like this project. I like the way it turned out, so stay tuned. And as soon as this video finishes, click that part 2. There'll be a link in this video for you to click the part 2. Okay, let's get into the video.